Well, getting rid of the Mic Mini and getting the Mic Air really changed the game, because with the DJI Mic Mini you'd need to connect a microphone adapter to the camera and then via cable to the receiver, and the receiver would then be wireless to the transmitter. You know, one cable, two extra devices in comparison to only the transmitter with the Mic Air now. And I've done the latest firmware update for the X4 camera, so the microphone is compatible with this. This is such a game changer. I wish Insta had come up with this earlier. But here we are, nevertheless. Yeah, as you saw, the mountain has snow, means winter is here. Over the weekend we had a lot of snowfall and rainfall, but yesterday the sun came out and melted most of it, as you can see. And this was all white. Yeah, I haven't done many motorcycle videos lately, but I've been riding. As you can see, I'm at 1,761 kilometers, and I think the last time I made a video while riding was when I got the new display and was complaining that it didn't fix the issue. As you can still see, the tachometer, the rev indicator is still faulty, but we'll look into that later at the 15k service maintenance. So we're heading into town. I just want to see the sound quality in traffic at low speeds. And you know, for me it's important that the microphone is catching the engine sound of my bike. There's a lot of wind again, and I'm slightly increasing my voice. And a beautiful mountain. Oh. 116. Very curious about my voice, about the clarity with this mic. We'll see. Yeah, I missed riding, man. Also practicing the blipping downshift, not every time. But when I have the chance to do it, I'll do it. See, I also want this beautiful engine sound or exhaust sound also to be captured on the microphone. Eyes open again.